In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TurboTax to prepare and e-file a zero-income Form 1040. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the TurboTax website. Once you're there, sign into your account. If you're already logged in, you can go straight to the return you want to work on. The goal in this process is simple. You're moving through the tax interview without entering any income, so your return reflects $0 of income. After you're inside TurboTax, begin working through the return as you normally would. As you reach the income areas, leave those sections blank or enter 0 where the system requires a value. The important thing here is not to add any wages, self-employment income, investment income, or other earnings. Since this is a zero income return, all income-related parts of the interview should remain empty or show $0. Take your time as you move through these screens so you don't accidentally enter information that changes the return. As you continue, TurboTax may present several income categories, one after another. That's normal. Just continue past each of them without adding any income details. If the platform offers options to revisit or edit an income section, make sure those sections still show nothing entered. This helps keep the return accurate and prevents unnecessary corrections later. Once you've gone through the income portion, continue forward through the interview screens until you reach the review section. This is where TurboTax checks the return for missing information, errors, or issues that could prevent filing. Read the review messages carefully and respond only as needed to keep moving forward. Since the return is being filed with zero income, you want to confirm that no income entries were added by mistake and that the form is still reflecting the outcome you expect. After review, move on to the file section. This is the final stage where you complete the e-filing process for your Form 1040. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, confirm that the return shows zero income, and proceed through the filing steps until the return is ready to be electronically submitted. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to pause briefly and look over the summary